The historical paper trail to Dallas begins in 1968, hidden within the back pages of a Los Angeles newspaper. This liquidation sale for the Los Angeles Stamp and Stationery Company listed what appeared to be standard commercial inventory, but it includes 18 industrial punch presses, 10 pantographs, and 80,000 pounds of raw brass, copper, and aluminum, heavy machinery entirely unnecessary for a retail shop. That specific combination of equipment is designed for the high-volume production of municipal credentials and law enforcement badges. The Los Angeles Stamp and Stationery Company operated as a vertically integrated, highly secure forgery facility hiding in plain sight. On the public record, the facility was managed by a local businessman known as Jack Moon. Declassified charts reveal Moon was an alias for Chauncey Holt, a contract agent and rated pilot with deep ties to the intelligence community. The agency classified this factory as a proprietary. These entities are built on 3 pillars. They maintain commercial revenue, employ civilians, and provide the infrastructure for covert logistics. Because a proprietary actively competes in private markets and pays real taxes, the facility was functionally invisible to standard legal and financial audits. Holt did not report exclusively to the CIA. He acted as a trusted logistical liaison for organized crime syndicates. This handwritten correspondence from Meyer Lansky, sent to another of Holt's aliases, provides physical proof of these dual loyalties. The mob relied on Holt's corporate shells to navigate federal inquiries. In this memo, mob accountant Victor Tronaloni asks Holt for the specific documentation needed to survive an impending IRS audit. By the early 1960s, the Los Angeles factory became a shared, untraceable resource, a manufacturing node utilized by both the intelligence apparatus and the American mafia. In April 1963, Holt received a direct order from his CIA handler, Phil Twombly. It authorized a special order and carried a strict instruction. All original artwork was to be destroyed upon completion. The order originated from a New Orleans distributor named Guy Bannister, an intelligence operative then managing Lee Harvey Oswald. By September, internal memos show the agency was concerned about television crews filming their personnel near Oswald. Twombly pushed for proper identifications to protect his agents on the West Coast. The factory utilized its heavy presses to generate the ultimate objective, a production run of counterfeit Secret Service credentials for deployment in Dallas on November 22nd. This note from November 12th details the final logistics. Holt was instructed to pick up syndicate hitmen Charles Nicoletti and Leo Messeri and transport them directly to Texas. The heavy machinery inside that Los Angeles stationery shop was the physical engine room for the cover-up infrastructure of the JFK assassination. When a proprietary operation is compromised or completed, the agency must dispose of the physical evidence without drawing public attention. Declassified ledgers show their preferred method of erasure. They do not destroy the equipment. They simply strip the facility and sell the assets via the free market. Reevaluating the 1968 auction notice reveals the quiet sanitization of a historical crime scene. The numbering machines and coining presses used to forge the Dallas Secret Service credentials were sold for cash to everyday, unwitting buyers. The CIA's shadow economy weaponizes the most boring structures of private enterprise: incorporation, taxes, and bankruptcy. The most dangerous intelligence operations are successful because they look perfectly at home